If your Firestick home screen suddenly changed, you are not alone. Amazon is rolling out a massive new update to more devices. TechVibes is here to help you fix the clutter. After every update, Amazon loves to reset your options and add background processes that slow down your system. We need to change these settings straight away to get your speed back. Step 1 is to make sure your device is fully updated. Go to Settings. On the new layout, you will find this inside the hamburger icon in the top navigation menu. Go to My Fire TV, select About, and click Check for updates. Even if it says it is up to date, click it again to let it check properly. Step 2 is to stop the massive background ads. Go to Settings and select Preferences. Next, click on the Featured Content section. Turn off Allow Video Autoplay and turn off Allow Audio Autoplay. This stops trailers and promoted videos from playing automatically. Your home screen will instantly feel much calmer and quieter. Step 3 is to fix your privacy settings. Go to Settings and click Preferences. Open Privacy Settings. You need to turn off device usage data and turn off collect app usage data. You must also turn off interest-based ads. This prevents Amazon from tracking your daily activity and app habits. If you see managed sharing from apps, turn that off too. Step 4 is to disable data monitoring and clicking sounds. Go to Settings and click Preferences. Turn off data usage monitoring so your device stops tracking your data in the background. Next, go to Display and Audio, click on Audio, and turn off navigation sounds. This stops that constant annoying clicking sound when you move around the menus. Step 5 is to stop Amazon from deleting your apps. Go to Settings and open Applications. Look for the option called Automatic Offload. Turn Automatic Offload off. If you leave this on, Amazon will automatically delete apps you have not used in a while to free up space. You should always control what stays on your own device. Step 6 is to clear out your storage space. Go to Settings, click My Fire TV, and open About Storage. If you have less than 1 GB free, your device will lag. Go to Manage Installed Applications. Uninstall any old games or duplicate apps you do not need. Select heavy apps like YouTube and click Clear Cache. Do not click Clear Data or you will be logged out. Step 7 is to secure your developer options. Go to Settings and click My Fire TV. Next, you'll need to open the Developer Options menu. Turn off ADB debugging unless you actively use it. Leaving this turned on creates major security risks, especially if you ever connect your device to shared Wi-Fi networks at hotels or holiday rentals. Step 8 is to check app permissions and restart. Go to Settings, Applications, and Manage Installed Applications. Pick any apps you are unsure about and check their permissions. Revoke access to your location or microphone if the app does not need it. Finally, go to My Fire TV and click Restart. A fresh reboot fixes the weird lag and freezing caused by the update. To make sure all your streaming apps run smoothly and securely, you should use a VPN. We highly recommend using NordVPN on your device. It protects your privacy from internet providers and stops data throttling. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. If these tips helped your Fire Stick, make sure to hit subscribe to TechVibes. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech fixes. Share this video with anyone who uses a streaming device. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.